All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Next, we go to Tampa, Florida, for the case against Luis Angel Lopez. He was charged with burglary and grand theft after allegedly breaking into a home to steal a TV. The case was originally headed for trial, but Lopez agreed to accept a plea deal. Instead of a possible prison term of 15 to 20 years, he's agreed to a maximum sentence of 5 years plus probation. The presiding judge is Michael Williams.
Mr. Lopez, how we doing?
I'm doing good, sir.
You ready to take your plea?
Yes, sir, I am ready to take it. I don't want to make this any worse. I'm ready to get it over with and come out and start a new life. Yeah, I got people that love me, so.
As part of your plea, if you don't turn yourself in by 5 p.m., your guilty plea is going to stand, but not the plea agreement. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Things seem to be moving smoothly as the judge goes over a few questions.
Did anybody threaten or coerce you to enter this plea or promise you anything other than what's contained in the plea agreement?
No.
Are you under the influence of any drugs, alcohol, or medication that would prevent you from understanding today's proceedings?
I mean, I smoke a little marijuana, but I understand the proceedings.
Not exactly what a judge wants to hear from a defendant.
When's the last time you smoked?
Maybe like 30 minutes ago.
Wonderful.
But I mean, I can take the plea. I'm in the right state of mind to take
I'm gonna be
the plea.
dead before I take your plea.
Though frustrated, Judge Williams remains calm and poses another question.
Is it possible for you not to smoke 30 minutes before you take a plea?
You know, I was just nervous that I'm going in, so I was just, smoking.
The defendant may be feeling mellow, but the judge is anything but.
I'm about ready to reject your plea and go to trial, just so you know. You can roll the dice with a jury.
Buzzkill.
How do you think it looks to an appellate court that you smoked marijuana 30 minutes before taking your plea?
Bad.
Yeah, that's the legal term.
It looks like Lopez could be losing his deal. But of all people, the prosecutor, Nathaniel Mendoza, suggests a remedy.
Your Honor, I don't know if you'd be comfortable, but I know that NHTSA states that marijuana can impair driving performance for up to 3 hours. I don't know if that would mean that he'd be okay by this afternoon. If his head would be clear.
Oh, no.
All I got for you.
You may be right, Mr. Mendoza. All right.
Instead, Lopez catches a break when the judge allows him a second hearing, but with one minor stipulation.
All right, I need you to show up for court and not smoke marijuana right before you get on Zoom. You understand?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Lopez eventually appeared sober and accepted the plea deal he was offered. 5 years in prison plus 3 years probation. He was also required to pay a restitution fee of $300.
It's not good for your lungs.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.